Hi, and welcome to StreamerCollabs. My name is Infamous DBub, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use StreamerCollabs.com. Today we're going to be talking about how to create your account, how to set up your profile, and how to find connections. So let's get started. So first off, we got the beautiful landing page, and now we're going to go ahead and to the top here and click on login. All right, now that we've clicked login, we're going to scroll down here a little bit to register. And it'll take us to our pricing page. Right now, we have our free, casual, gamer, and unlimited plans. These are our monthly plans. Our annual plans actually come with 2 months free, and then we have our lifetime plans right here. My personal favorite is the gamer plan. For today's video, we're going to be going with the free plan. So let's click on Find Gaming Partners Free. After that, we're going to scroll down a little bit here, and then we're going to enter the username that is associated with this StreamerCollabs account. All right, and now that we filled out all this amazing information, we're going to go ahead and click on submit and confirm. Now that we have completed that section, we're going to scroll down a little bit here. This is our achievements section. There's a whole bunch of things that you can do on the site, adding your first game, setting your main game, picking 3 vibe tags, and these are all things that I'm going to walk you through when we hit up this edit profile section. Okay, so here's the edit profile section. I'm blurring all of this out. Give me like 1 second. Let me scroll down a little bit. Okay, and now here is where we will add our first game and select a main game. So let's go ahead and just select Marvels. Because that's the game I'm playing mostly right now, you know. All right, and then for our second game, let's just do something simple like Outlast Trials. Be right here, boom. And then the next thing I'm going to show you is how to set your main primary game. So basically what you're going to want to do is select the little bubble in the top left of one of the game corners, and that is pretty much how you do it. All right, and now we're going to flesh out our profile just a bit more. We are going to go ahead and set our vibe, our personality focus and platform. This will be on your profile. So let's go ahead and start out with we are grinding, we're social and open. Pretty loud sometimes, and I can be a potty mouth. I do apologize, Mom. So next up, we are competitive casual because, you know, I want to win, but, you know, it's not that deep. And I can be a variety streamer. And we are on PC and PlayStation. Okay, and now that we are done with that, we are going to go ahead and scroll down just a little bit more to our connection settings right here. In our connection settings, we can connect to Twitch, which we will do in just a second, connect to YouTube, which is for our unlimited plan members only right now, and connect to Discord, which is a free Discord open to anybody who has joined StreamerCollabs. This is just a Discord for people who are looking to grow their streams and connect and grow together, basically. But let's connect to Twitch real quick. All right, and like I said, it's real simple. It's just like authorizing Nightbot, and it'll redirect us right back to the page that we were on. All right, now that we've synced our Twitch account, we're going to go ahead and walk through the rest of these tabs real quick. And then I can get to the fun part of showing you guys how to connect with people. So real quick, the connections tab right here. This is where you're going to find all your connections. Oh, let me scroll up a little bit. In this connections page, you're going to find 5 tabs: my matches, my squad, incoming requests, outgoing requests, and all conversations. So the my matches is basically who the algorithm thinks based on your profile and what you put into your profile, your vibe, your personality, all that great stuff. This will show you who the algorithm believes that you will match and play the best with. So right here we have this handsome guy. We have Shabelle and Truline. Next up we have my squad. This is where you will find all of your connections and everyone that you are currently connected with. Incoming requests is where you will see everyone who has added you. Currently, we have 4 incoming requests from yours truly, as well as a few of the other StreamerCollabs friends. And then outgoing requests. This is where you will see who you've sent requests to, and then you can even refresh your request if your connection hasn't been accepted yet. Next up, we have all conversations. And this is basically where you will find all of your conversations that you have with everyone on the site. And that's pretty much it. Let's walk through the Collab Central real quick. And this is the Collab Central. This is where you'll find all of your upcoming collabs as well as past collabs. This is a brand new account, so there isn't really anything here, but this is where you'll find all that good stuff. Next up, the Achievement Vault. All right, here we finally are, the Achievement Vault. This is where you will find all of your achievements. So we have linked our Twitch account, we have added our first game, we have set our main game, and we have our vibe check, and we finished our setup. Epic. And yeah, this is basically where you're going to find all the rest of the awesome achievements. We have plenty of achievements to go around, and then all these badges will be added to your profile so people can see, oh, this guy's legit. All right, next up is the affiliate area. This is an important area, so pay attention. You click on the affiliate area, we go to the affiliate dashboard right here. Boom! This is where you will find your affiliate link. You can put this in your chat. You can put this in your YouTube descriptions, anywhere, really. So first off, we got the creatives. This is where we store all of your QR codes. So all these QR codes are personalized to you. And yeah, we also have a whole bunch of logos and things like that. So you can really trick out your stream and promote streamer collabs and, get some dope referrals. All right. And so we have statistics next up. This is where we will find all of this amazing information, the current commission rate, which is 50% right now, which is pretty crazy. Graphs is basically where you will find all your unpaid earnings, pending referral earnings, rejected referral earnings, and paid referral earnings. So here we have referrals. So basically you're going to see who you referred, how much you made off of that referral, the description of the referral, the status of that referral, and the date that referral was made. Next up, the fun part, payouts. So this is just where you're going to see when you were paid, how much you were paid, how you were paid, the payout account, as well as the status, and when you should be paid. Next up, we got visits and then settings, and then we can head back to the main site. So yeah, this is where you're going to see which URL they clicked on and whether or not they were converted. Next up, let's see the settings. The settings is basically just your payment email. So the email that we're going to be sending the money to. All right, now that we are back at the member hub, let's go down to refer a friend. And this is where you're going to find your link. Like it says here, share your unique link with friends. If they sign up, they get a discount and you'll earn a commission. Let's check out memberships and billing. All right, here we are on the membership and billing section, and we're going to go ahead and click manage billing. And this is where you can see your username, email, and then your membership level. You can also change your membership level here, and then it'll show down here when you signed up and how long you've been a member. All right, next up, back in the member hub, let's check out account settings. And this is pretty simple. This is just where you can change your password, enable offline mode, which is basically you won't show up in searches and you won't show us online if you don't want to. And then this is where you can enable SMS notifications if you so do well, please. And then this is where you can deactivate your account. Deactivating your account will immediately delete all of your videos and streaming data. Your profile will be hidden from the site, but your connections and messages will be saved for up to 18 months in case you decide to come back. You can reactivate your account at any time by logging back in. So basically, it'll put you in an offline mode for 18 months until you sign back in. Next up, the Activity Center. And this is where you'll find all your notifications, your achievements, your connections, all that good stuff is going to be right here. But that is it for the member hub. Let's go ahead and check out the content hub. And then finally, we will get to searching for collabs. So this is the StreamerCollabs podcast. This is where we make all of our blogs. And yeah, this is where we keep all that amazing stuff. We got episodes, we got guides for people, we got interviews, and StreamerCollabs moments. So yeah, this is all the amazing stuff that we have to offer as far as content goes. All right, now let's hop into the search for collabs section so we can find some collabs. Now that we're searching for collabs, we can scroll down a little bit here. As a free plan member, I have 45 daily searches remaining. All right, so for our first search, we're gonna go ahead and search Marvel Rivals. Whoops, can't spell at all. And let's do grinding. Who's grinding and playing Marvel Rivals right now? As you can see, we have plenty of people, 4 pages of people that are grinding, playing Marvel Rivals. And this list is growing every single day. And if you didn't notice, now you will, you can see the bling that people have on their profiles. This is only for unlimited member profiles. It is pretty epic. You can see the glow right here. You can see little pixels flying around inside of their profile, and their profile glows unlike the rest of them, you know? It's pretty epic for the unlimited. We take care of the unlimited plan members right here, man. We do. But yeah, that is going to be it for the searching for collabs. All right, and now that we are signed into my profile, you can see what a fully decked out profile looks like. You can see my social icons right here. You can see all of my vibe right here. You can see all my grinding, lifestyle, just chatting, competitive, PC, PlayStation, all that amazing stuff. Then you scroll down and you can see, let me get that out the way. Then you scroll down and you can see my Twitch streams, my YouTube channel, and my squad. The My Squad tab will take you directly back to your squad. Now, time to show you guys how to schedule a collab. You're going to want to click on schedule a collab directly next to the chat button. Now that we're at the collaboration hub, this is where you can see all your pending and confirmed collaborations at a glance. To schedule a new collab with one of your collections, visit their profile page and click the collab button. Sorry. So we already clicked the collab button. Now we're gonna go ahead and set up an event. Let's say Body and Bots, Marvel Rivals. Boom. And then we're just gonna send the invite. Boom. Creating invite. Please wait. Collaboration invite has been sent. So right here is where you're gonna find those. And now that I've sent that invite, Coaster Lover is actually gonna get a message from me, and it's gonna look exactly like this. Hey, Coaster Lover, I would like to invite you to collab. When, where, game. All right, and that is going to be it for the tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and hopefully this shed some light on some things that you guys might have been a little confused about. It has been Infamous DBub with StreamerCollabs, and I will see you guys out there. Take care.